Hey there, renewable energy enthusiasts. Welcome back to ReneEnergy.com. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the economics of PEM fuel cells versus traditional power sources. This comprehensive analysis will provide you with a clear understanding of the costs associated with PEM fuel cells and how they compare to conventional power generation technologies. Disclaimer: the details provided here are based on current technology and market conditions, which can change. This content is for informational purposes only. Please conduct your own research or consult a professional before making investment decisions in the renewable energy sector. Let's start by examining the capital costs of PEM fuel cells, which are divided into two main components: the fuel cell stack and the balance of plant. The fuel cell stack is the heart of the system, where the electrochemical reactions take place to generate electricity. The cost of the fuel cell stack is primarily determined by the membrane electrode assembly, MEA, which includes the catalyst, platinum, at $200–400 per kilowatt, the membrane, Nafion, at $100–200 per kilowatt, and the gas diffusion layers, GDLs, at $50–100 per kilowatt. Other components of the fuel cell stack, such as bipolar plates, $100–200 per kilowatt, gaskets and seals, $50–100 per kilowatt, and assembly and testing, $100–200 per kilowatt, also contribute to the overall cost. When combined, the total cost of the fuel cell stack can range from $1,200 to $2,000 per kW. The balance of plant, on the other hand, encompasses all the auxiliary components necessary for the fuel cell system to function properly. This includes hydrogen storage and delivery, $500 and $1,000 per kilowatt, air supply and humidification, $200–400 kilowatts, cooling and thermal management, $100–200 per kilowatt, power conditioning and control, $200–400 per kilowatt, and sensors, valves, and piping, $100–200 per kilowatt. These components are essential for ensuring the optimal performance and durability of the PEM fuel cell system, but they also contribute significantly to the overall capital cost. Manufacturing and assembly costs also play a crucial role in determining the final price of PEM fuel cells. Automation and quality control processes can add $100–200 per kilowatt to the cost, while factory overhead and labor can contribute an additional $200–400 per kilowatt. However, as production volumes increase, economies of scale and learning curve effects come into play. For every doubling of production volume, cost reductions of 20–30% can be achieved. At high-volume manufacturing, 100,000 plus units a year, there is potential for a 50–70% cost reduction compared to current levels. This highlights the importance of increasing the adoption and deployment of PEM fuel cells to drive down costs and make the technology more accessible. Now let's shift our focus to the operating costs of PEM fuel cells, which include hydrogen fuel costs and maintenance and replacement expenses. Currently, the cost of hydrogen fuel is around 10–15 per kilogram, which is equivalent to 4–6 per kilogram of gasoline. However, as hydrogen production and distribution infrastructure continue to expand and improve, the cost of hydrogen fuel is projected to decrease to $4.06 per kilogram by 2030. This reduction in fuel cost will have a significant impact on the overall operating expenses of PEM fuel cells and make them more competitive with traditional power sources. Maintenance and replacement costs are another important factor to consider when evaluating the long-term viability of PEM fuel cells. Regular maintenance tasks, such as replacing air filters, $100–200 per year, and managing coolant and water systems, $200–400 per year, are necessary to ensure optimal performance. Additionally, the MEA, which is the heart of the fuel cell stack, needs to be replaced every 30,000–40,000 hours of operation, which can cost between $1,200 and $2,000 per kilowatt. The catalyst layer also requires periodic refurbishment every 5,000–10,000 hours, with costs ranging from $500 to $1,000 per kilowatt. While these maintenance and replacement costs may seem substantial, it's essential to consider the operating efficiency and fuel consumption of PEM fuel cells. With an efficiency of 40–60%, depending on operating conditions, and a fuel consumption of 0.2 kE hydrogen per kilogram, PEM fuel cells are 2–4 times more efficient than internal combustion engines. This higher efficiency translates into lower fuel costs and reduced environmental impact over the lifetime of the system. To truly understand the economic viability of PEM fuel cells, it's crucial to conduct a lifecycle cost comparison with other power generation technologies. A total cost of ownership (TCO) analysis, which takes into account all the costs associated with a system over its entire lifespan, reveals that PEM fuel cells cost between $10 and $20 per kilowatt hour over a 10-year lifetime, assuming a 50% capacity factor. In comparison, internal combustion engines have a TCO of $15 to $25 per kilowatt hour, Lithium-ion batteries cost $20.30 per kilowatt hour, and diesel generators come in at $25.35 per kilowatt hour. While PEM fuel cells may have higher upfront capital costs, their lower operating costs and higher efficiency make them increasingly competitive over their lifetime. It's important to note that the key cost drivers for PEM fuel cells, as identified through sensitivity analysis, are hydrogen fuel price, 25-35% of TCO, capital cost, 20-30% of TCO, maintenance and replacement, 15-25% of TCO, and operating efficiency, 10-20% of TCO. As research and development efforts continue to focus on reducing these costs and improving system performance, the economic case for PEM fuel cells will only become stronger. In conclusion, while the current costs of PEM fuel cells may be higher than conventional technologies, there is significant potential for cost reduction through economies of scale, learning curve effects, and technological advancements. As hydrogen prices decrease and fuel cell durability improves, the life cycle cost of PEM fuel cells is expected to become increasingly competitive with other power generation technologies. The future of sustainable energy is bright, and PEM fuel cells are poised to play a crucial role in the transition to a cleaner, more efficient energy ecosystem. To help you further explore the world of sustainable energy and PEM fuel cells, we've prepared a set of featured resources. 1. Tailored insights for industries transitioning to green hydrogen. This comprehensive guide is designed for industries navigating the shift towards green hydrogen. It covers strategic approaches, technological advancements, and policy landscapes shaping the future of sustainable energy, providing valuable insights for decision makers and stakeholders alike. 2. The PEM Advantage, a guide to green hydrogen. This resource takes a deep dive into the potential of polymer electrolyte membrane, PEM electrolyzers in green hydrogen production. It explores the benefits, applications, and economic viability of PEM technology, making it an essential read for anyone interested in the green hydrogen revolution. 3. How to create an AI Faceless YouTube Channel. For those looking to leverage digital platforms to promote sustainability, this step-by-step guide offers a comprehensive roadmap for creating an engaging, AI-driven, faceless YouTube channel focused on green energy and sustainability. Learn how to effectively spread the message of environmental stewardship and drive positive change. 4. The Comprehensive Guide to Green Hydrogen. This ultimate resource provides an in-depth understanding of green hydrogen, covering everything from production methods to applications and its vital role in a sustainable energy ecosystem. Whether you're a beginner or an expert in the field, this guide is a must-read for anyone interested in the future of clean energy. To access these incredible resources, simply click on the links provided in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ReneeEnergy.com for more cutting-edge content on the future of energy. Together, we can unlock the potential of PEM fuel cells and pave the way for a cleaner, greener tomorrow.